backyard forest here. We are about a week into the brood X cicada emergence, and it is starting to get heavy. You see that everywhere we look, there are cicadas coming out of the ground. The weather has finally warmed up, which seems to have these guys much happier. They look bigger, they look to be moving much faster, and their quantities are increasing as well. They love this maple tree in my backyard. That's where most of this footage has been coming from. And as you can see, there are simply a ton of these guys. And it really borders on freaky. Why do they crawl on you? Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! God, they're everywhere. This guy just pooped.